Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the 77291 logo light in a Hot Spring NXT spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, heat gun, putty knife, rubbing alcohol, lemon oil, and a towel. Parts you will need: 77291 logo light. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Remove the light by applying hot air and gently prying upwards with a flathead screwdriver. Step 3. Loosen the adhesive with lemon oil. Do not use paint thinner or nail polish remover to break up the adhesive. Step 4. Remove the adhesive with a flat metal putty knife. Step 5. Clean the area with rubbing alcohol and a towel. Step 6. Cover the entire area with the 3M primer that comes with the logo light. Step 7. Remove the protective film from the back of the logo light. Step 8. Install the new logo light in the same place as the original. Step 9. Remove the IQ 2020 control box lid. Step 10. Unplug the old logo light and plug the new light into the logo light port on the motherboard. Step 11. Install the control box lid. Step 12. Reconnect power to the spa. Step 13. Install the equipment compartment door. Good job! You are now the hero. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.